to Taco Book. This is my first story, and this is my friend. And I'm back. So this is just a short thing, but this is the characters. The mind the breakfast. So this is the house. This might take a while, so you better wait.
Oh, tamang-tama. E di, gawa na yung inyong ibaba. Ang ganda, ano?
Okay,
Tapos,
these are the steps.
di uuwi kayo. Kukunin ko ang
These are
suggestion,
the
ano?
steps. This is the baby named Marcus.
Bagong mga March. Saka ko lalagay.
Got. So, I put this in. This is the
Papakita ko
house
sa inyo.
tour.
Hindi mo na ako mag-aano doon. Pag nagawa, gusto ko makita yung gawang-gawa.
And stop yapping now. Let's get building.
At yung gawa na. Para makita yung luwag. Tapos yung sigilo, baka nagsasuggest na ano. Yun. Ay, nahirap din ako dito. Ang water, una kong naisip yan, anak, doon sa labas. Doon sa kwetos. Tingin ko na yun. Sa kwetos, kausap ko na si Marison niya. Tapos si Dasoy, sinausap ko dahil si Dasoy, ano niya water station. Yan pala water station, kailangan suki-suki. Para pre-deliver ka,
This is some
bulto-bulto na.
stuff that I got.
Oo, bultuhan. Yan
First
dahil na
family.
ano, ay baka nasasara na.
Titi.
Oo, kasi pag isa-isa na ako.
I have a secret thing. So that's stuff what you say. Titi. The mom's only work. So yeah, this is Carrie, the mom. This is Stacy, the big sister, and this is Emily. And this is Jacob, the husband. And the baby is Michael, so I already told you.
Ang hirap, mamay yan. Dito gamay.
Here.
Inakamagaling doon, one stop na may tindahan ka, sari-sari store, may frozen products, may kaunti kang bigas, may dalawang marami.
Nag-usap natin pag-uwi mo. Bibigyaran ka, nakakabibigyaran.
This is output here. Okay. And this is the pet, Lucky.
Yung mga bibig niyan.
Oh yeah, I forgot. It's in here. And we also got. Oh yeah, I forgot. So don't
Ay,
mind.
uban tayo.
So which one's better? 1, 2, 3.
Okay yan yung bigyaran. At kung kumita hindi naman nabubulo. Walang nabubulo.
Listen out. What is this babe? Forgot. Yeah.
Sabong pa nga yan, sa Maynila yung sumabong na ano, laundry shop.
And this is some things that I kind of forgot.
Kailangan nakaka-focus ka dun eh.
Shit off. So good. And start the passports. Cause yes. So I'm choosing this as a center.
Yan nga pa naman. Dito matapos kayo. September, meron na. Malapit ang Pasko, meron na.
So I put here. So I put I'll put the lunchbox here. And there's a lunchbox. So that's what I'm. Okay. So yeah, this is her bag. And this is Emily's bag. So yeah, this is long, so this should be a bit long. Okay, I'll give you a tour.
Nag-display tayo.
Stop yapping.
Mga Victoria mo, naka-display. Kapag ako ng cabinet, nag-display ako ng mga pabango lahat. O, ano.
Okay, that's all. Bye.